bro. Run, nigga.
Where he go?
Run. Ain't no way this nigga just pulled over.
What he get pulled over for?
Nigga, you know what the fuck he got pulled over for?
Exhaust?
No, nigga, shut up. Why the nigga ain't run, bro?
What was he doing? Oh, the store closed.
Damn. Record real quick. Oh, shit. Record. I ain't trying to get caught with the camera. That nigga there. Handcuffs, twin. That nigga Pat searching on this shit. Oh, they had going to jail. They ad is going to jail, boy. Oh, shit. Guess where they at going?
Car finna get impounded.
They ad going to jail. Damn, I said tow truck got that quick to the bitch. I was like, damn, they got them hoes on speed down. Ain't no way, bro, to smack the curb. Ain't no way. That's your wheel. Go there. Yeah, boy. Back up. Chill out. I'll smack the fuck out the curb though, shit. See what's up then? say, gang, like I was saying, I wasn't expecting this meet to be packed, bro, so I didn't really, you know what I'm saying, wasn't planning on pulling the camera out. Now, I got here, the first spot, it got shut down, laws came. I was like, damn, that hole's packed. So we came to the second spot, and this mud packed, so I decided I'm finna pull the camera out and my phone out, because my camera won't get here until Wednesday, so pull the phone out, and we're finna vlog, you feel me? Finna get some content, get some stuff for y'all, you feel me? Here go J-Lug,
Just called it.
I got my phone on, do not disturb, I gotta call twice. But yeah, I gotta get open here. Oh shit, that shit hurt. Hold on. Okay. Sound pretty good. I fuck with that Chrysler. That looks something. Nigga Ren's ready to check the fuck out. Damn, nigga. Fuck. That nigga done fuck somebody paint on. Spin that motherfucker, what's good? How she spent sliding, we should have burned out. Some goddamn, we good. That Caprice nice in the bitch. We ain't gonna get a burn out though. We can't get a burn out twin. That's how you get the air right there. That's how you get the Yes, sir. Oh God, that's a 10-speed motherfucker. The burn out, fam. Let's go, Los. One more. Let me get one more. Hey, they said, can you top that? I know you can top that. Though. And we're gonna see. Hey, what you got done to this motherfucker? Cap. You got a 2-step on it? Yeah. Type shit. Which one you go with? What's that? MSDers? Who? What kind of 2-step? MSD, yeah. They trying to help his land. Laws. Nigga, laws, bitch. 12. Oh, shit. Fuck police. Suck my dick, bitch. Run. Ow, wait, please. Jay, bring your ass in. Come on. Shit, I'm tired.
Me too.
I'm tired, we got to run, but say we in the undercover right now. We know what I'm saying? We in the Malibu. So we can go back this way and act like we don't know nothing just happened. You feel me? Bro, better not hop behind us.
It look like he is.
You record. Yes, sir, Ski. We don't look like we up to nothing. We're good guys. Damn. The law doing burnouts? Oh, he up there chasing somebody. You on the hot? Damn, bitch. Hey, must. Better smack a nigga twin, oh God. We're on a high speed chase. We got a few fugitives running from 12. We're gonna get behind the scenes of this bullshit, man. Look at these fugitives. Look at them. If you're in the truck, you're a fugitive. Fugitive.
Yeah, it's only one.
All crept back though. I mean, but everybody was leaving. Oh, somebody going in. You said your check-in light came on.
Yeah.
Damn, Lil Los. Oh, he's sitting back there. He's creeping right there. His head, look. His head turned around. Look at him. He turned around.
He nope.
Where the fuck I'm finna go? I'm doing this illegal ass U-turn and shit. But they all leaving the ass getting this fuck up out of there. Skedaddle. They all skedaddling. They all there leaving, boy. Camaro just came in.
What's up,
he leaving.
Huh?
I'm trying to see what's going on there.
We on that street.
We running now. You know what I'm saying? We're being criminals. All right, y'all can see currently we got Jay out the motherfucking sunroof.
Bro.
God damn, nigga.
Hey, bro, it's flying out. It's flying out the window.
Hey, bro, we was on the freeway. Bro tried to face the way we were going. Nigga talk. I can't breathe.
I couldn't breathe, bro.
Bro, she was so hilarious. We got Los behind this. Where that mother at? Got my boy Los behind us, you feel me? I'm gonna wait till the next
I was
location.
waving them, they waved back.
Who, the people that was at the red light? So y'all turn the camera back on just a second. I can't even see my shit. First thing was over there practicing. And they lost it. Bro, finna slide the shackles off that motherfucker shit. Bro.